Hello everyone. So today we will learn how to make conical projection. Half version I have made in part 1. So those who have not watched, you can watch it. It will be easy to understand this part 2. Okay, so first let's do the quick uh, revision of what we did in part 1. In part 1 we learned how to find out the radius of the reducer. This is the formula, okay? And after solving, we got the answer 2.56, which after a round up, we will take it as 2.6 centimeter, right? Standard parallel is a 40-degree north, central meridian is 70-degree east, and interval is 10-degree. This much we had discussed in our part 1 video. Even this using this calculation, we had made our first diagram also. So today we'll start with the final diagram, how to make conical projection, right? Now this was the first one. Now see here, this is 10-degree angle, this is 40. By using this base, we had made 40 perpendicular, which will used as the length for 40-degree. Okay, so let's start. So first, to make the conical projection, we have to make a straight line with any length, because we do not know what would be the length we are going to use. Okay, now let's label it. We'll write it O. Now this is the center. Now we have to take this distance, since this is representing the length of 40-degree, right? So let's measure this distance in our compass and mark. Okay, let's mark. Now since the difference between latitude and longitude is 10 degrees, so now we'll measure this distance in a compass and mark. This is representing 40. It means, and we had a measurement from 10 degree to 70. It means the 3 we have to take up. This is 50, this is 60 and 70. The same way, down 3, 30, 20 and 10. Okay, so this we have marked all the latitudes. Now again, keep the point of your compass here and make these arcs like this. Yeah, make sure compass point should be here only. You just need to stretch your pencil wala part, pencil wala portion. Okay, so let's make this arc fast. See, I'm making freehand, so arcs are not too perfect. When you make with the help of compass, you'll get all the arcs exactly parallel to each other. Means the difference between all arcs from beginning to the last, it will be equal. So, and after this, we'll give the labeling also to this latitudes. See, all are parallel to each other. So this is our 20-degree north and 10-degree north. So let's label now. Let's start from here. This line, first line is our 70-degree north, right? 70-degree north. Now second line, this will indicate 60-degree north. Third line, will indicate 50-degree north. Now this is our main line. Okay, don't forget, this is a standard meridian line, and this is this line. This is the main line. This is 40-degree north. Okay, so main focus we need to put on this line, because here we have to make our longitude as well. This is 30-degree north. This line 30 north. Now 20 north. Here I have not written. Now please use the symbol degree also. Okay, of all the numbers, use symbols degree as well. Okay, and this is 10 degree. Uh, like this, 10. I'll use once degree. Okay, it's not possible right now. So write all the degrees also here. Okay, 10 degree north. Mhm. This was a diagram. Okay, we'll do this later on. Please write here N as well. Okay, 10 degree north. Or I'll write with my pencil right here, north. Done. Now, same compass, please measure this 10 degree because we know the interval was same for longitude as well. So measure this and make an arc here. Done. Now, wherever there is arc cutting at 40 degree from there, make straight line, or I should say perpendicular line to our radius, or this is radius, just parallel to radius, make a perpendicular line. Now this distance will represent or will be useful to make our to make longitudes. Okay, so take this distance and let's mark. And remember, the longitudinal difference was 10 degree to 130, and since this is the middle central meridian, this is representing our 70 degree. Okay, I write here, this is 70 degree east. Okay, this line is representing 70 east. And make sure, since this was a standard parallel line, so we'll mark all the marking of longitudes here, and by keeping this line as a base only, we'll draw all the lines. Okay, now take this measurement, this, and we'll mark 6 this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And same way, 6 this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now take your scale. Make sure your center should be this only. Take a scale, and wherever you have marked, draw the straight lines like this. Done. First line. Same way, join all the lines. If this is 70 degree east, on right, it will increase, right? So it is 80 degree east. This is 90 east. Then 100 east. Then this will represent 110 east. Then this will represent 120 east. And this is last one will represent 130 east. Right? Done. If your line is going outside, no problem, let it go. Okay, nothing will happen. Now in the same way, make other sides. This will represent our, we need to label this line as 60 east, then minus 10, 10, okay, because interval is 10. 50 east, this will be 40, then 30, then 20, and finally this is the last one, 10 degree east. Done. Now let's do the labeling, final work. So name of this line is 10 degree, 10 degree east. Okay, so east, no need to write everywhere. You can just write here at first and here at last. And this line, last line, this last line is representing 130 degree east. Clear? but please make sure labeling you have to do for all. Huh? So right here, 80 is here, sorry, here are 80 is, 90 is, 100 is. So please label all these lines like this. Now this is the final view of conical projection. Done. If you still have any doubt, you can ask. For today, thank you for watching.